Following on from tonight's session, I just wanted to speak a little bit more about some of the more complex chords that we looked at and how they fit in with the root notes on the 6th string, the 5th and the 5th string. So what I would like you to do is get in front of you this here, which was tonight's chord diagrams, and we'll put that just in front of you. Handout 2B, and then the diagram that you have of the fretboard, which is, let me just grab that, which is just here. Yeah? Okay, so looking at exercise 1 on handout 2B, we've got a very straightforward chord progression that we can all manage without much difficulty. Exercise 2, we've added on the minor 6 chord. Now the minor 6 chord is in these two chord boxes just here, and there's two ways that you can play that. You can play that as an open chord, or you can play it as a bar chord. Now that minor 6 takes its root name from the 6th string. So, looking at this top line here, to find the A, we look at the 5th fret, so we've got F, G, A. Okay, we get that? We've also, on exercise 2, added in a D minor 6, and again you can play that as an open chord, or you can play it as a bar chord. Remembering it takes its name, the minor 6 shape, the bar shape, takes its name from the notes on the 6th string. Looking again at your chart, if you look at the 10th fret, you've got a D, so you would play that shape in the 10th fret, and that gives you a D minor 6. Exercise 3, we've added in two 9th chords, a D minor 9 and a G 9, and both of these take their root note or their title from the 5th string, and you will find these two rather charming sounding chords here and here. So as these take their name from the 5th string, you would refer back to this, and we're looking for a D, so that is in the 5th fret, which is just here, and a G, which is all the way down in the 10th fret, somewhere down there. So you would take them shapes, the 9th shape and the minor 9, and you would move them right down the fret to the 5th and then the 10th fret, the 5th for the D minor 9 and the 10th for the G 9. Do we have anything else in there that we need to point out? No. So moving on to the final exercise where we add, let me make sure I haven't missed one out, sorry I have, exercise 4, and this has added the minor 7 shape in. So we go to this here, we find the minor 7 shape, which is, where is it? It's across the second line here, and you can play that as an open chord or you can play it as a bar chord, and you will notice that the circle is around the 5th string in the bar chord, which tells us that the chord takes its name from the notes on the 5th string. So you simply feel kind of like Blue Peter presenter here. You kind of go down to the 5th fret, you find the D, you play the D minor, you play the minor 7 shape, and then you've got a D minor 7. Final example, where we're adding the minor 11, which is here. Guess what we're going to do now? You guessed it. We come back to here and we find the minor 11 shape, which is, where's the minor 11 shape? There it is. It's just here. It's an 11th, and we play that because the root note is on the 6th string, and we're looking for an A minor 11, we know by now that the root note on the 6th string for an A is in the 5th fret. And that covers some of the theory behind handout 2B. Just remember what we discussed tonight, that if you don't get this week, don't stress, but please do take a look at it, and happy practicing.